Teaching a New Model, High Frequency Words by Bernadine Woods. What are high frequency words? Take a look at this video clip below, retrieved from the Literacy Channel. Now that you've had a chance to take a look at the video clip, let's review some current practices. For years, teachers have sent a list of words home for students to study and memorize using flashcards. Some teachers have started at number 1 and progressed through the list up to 100, while others have chose to categorize the words by numbers or colors. Studies have shown that there's no one-size-fits-all, and many students have not benefited from this method of teaching. Define the goal. Access knowledge of all letters on the alphabet in order to proceed with the new model. Introduce essential words. Introduce flash heart words. Implement the new model. Define the context. Who are your learners? Below grade level readers? What is the learning environment? A classroom setting or small groups? What is your delivery method? Word lists, videos, flashcards. Suggested restructuring. Children need to know at least 10 to 15 words at the beginning of the phonics lesson. These words are called essential words because they are not decodable when the short vowel pattern VC and CVC are taught. In addition, these words are not as difficult to learn using phonics as opposed to memorizing them. Once a student knows all of the letter names, it is recommended to teach the 10 to 15 essential words at a time. Introducing the words one at a time will minimize confusion and will not impede the at-risk learners. More words can be added to your essential word list based on your reading materials. Students can demonstrate knowledge of the words. 1. Find on the list. 2. Find the word in text. 3. Read from a card. Or 4. Given a spelling test. Flash words are described as words the student should know how to read and spell them in a flash. There are 60 one-syllable words with short vowel spelling patterns, 60 one-syllable words with R-controlled, long, and other vowel spellings. Heart words are words that will have to be learned by heart. Take a look at this video clip. In the video, you see that there are 10 simple steps. Step 1, introduce the word, say it to the children, and repeat it. Step 2, we stretch out the word and tap the sounds. How many sounds do you hear in the word? Step 3, draw a line on the board for each sound. Step 4, draw the children's attention to the regular sounding parts of the word, so maybe the first sound in the word is heard. Invite the children to explore the last sign that they hear in the word. Step 6, this is where the heart comes in the letters that the children need to remember by heart and are highlighted with a heart. Step 7, bring some multi-sensory work. The children can practice writing the word in the air, on their partner's back, or pretending to spray paint the walls. Step 8 invites the children to revise the first and last letter, followed by the heart letters. Step 9, it's time to have a goal. Erase the word from the board and ask the children to write it from memory, underline the heart letters, and draw a heart above them. Step 10 is adding a word wall. Create a permanently irregular spelled word wall or word list for the children to use the heart word and highlight the irregular part of the word. Implementing the new model. Words are grouped by syllable and spelling patterns. Collaborative planning with kindergarten and first grade teachers. Organize their list of high frequency words according to the heart words, flash words by their spelling patterns. Next, teachers will fit the new list into their phonics scope and sequence. Then, the same teachers will provide a professional development to show other teachers how to implement the new model. Traditionally, students would have continued struggling with and failing to memorize these easily confused words. With the new model, those students are not held accountable for accurately reading and spelling the words until they can understand and use the sound spelling correspondences. All teachers using this approach say that students learn to spell and read the words much more easily than with the traditional